According to the National Electrical Code, NEC, Article 300.7, conductors used outside must be suitable for wet locations or be otherwise protected from moisture and physical damage. Type of underground feeder cable type use: underground service entrance cable type MC, metal-clad cable with corrosion-resistant armor, and polyvinyl chloride or polyethylene insulated conductors with suitable fittings and protection are permitted conductors for wet locations. Flexible conduit, such as cell-type, protects conductors from physical damage but does not make them suitable for wet locations. If flexible conduit is used in a wet location, the conductors within it must be one of the permitted types listed above. NEC Article 310.10. A1 specifies that conductors outside must be suitable for wet locations or protected from moisture. NEC Article 334.15. States that cell-type conduit does not make conductors suitable for wet locations. Romex or an MB cable is not suitable for wet locations, and cell-type conduit alone does not make Romex suitable for wet locations. To correct the issue, replace the Romex cable with one of the permitted types.